And welcome to the Bridge Show, live from our company HQ in Oslo, Norway, in our basement, in our IP-based studio. We are here with some great news. So, let the show begin. And boy, what a show we have for you guys. You heard about IBC, right? We're going to be there. We are going to be in hall number 1, 230 square meters with all the high technology, the newest exciting stuff and the older exciting stuff. And of course, all the systems we have will be on display. And every hour, on top of the hour, will be our amazing experts giving you some insights into the extremely nice working of our systems. So you have to come, you have to be there. It's going to be momentous. Also, we are going to have the Bridge Show live from the show floor every single day at the IBC show. We are moving our whole studio to IBC. Oh, goodness. Guys, it's a bit early, guys. Guys? Really? Guys? We're not finished yet, guys. Guys?